Kitty, I think I fell in love with you. A little bit. Or a lot.
No English.
So you do speak English?
Welcome to Kiss.
My boyfriend.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's.
You are angelic in the morning.
Right back in. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. You
I'm gay.
got a tight grip. You know how to just make
It's not like this is serious. I'm not your girlfriend.
I was mad, but then I forgave him.
Wow.
When you leave and then you leave me stressing.
I got here first.
I'm here now.
Like that, no.
I have feelings for somebody else.
Like lovers, but you never wanna be each other.
Okay, stop. Stop it. It's not me now.
Look back, but
Forget what I said.
all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one
So you did smile.
Because I've never, ever thought about you that way before.
walk away. You turn me on
Kitty!
like a light switch. When you
Still, I can't help.
body around and around.
I'm trying to cause a diversion, you dummy.
I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. You got me at a tight.
I'm a terrible, awful person.
No, you're not.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on now. That's not true. You broke my heart. You're trying to break up my relationship.
I broke your heart. I miss you.
You dare touch Kitty?
Hopefully.
Is any of it real?
Like a light switch when you're moving your body around.
Tell your heart was never fully in it anyways.
I wanna fight this.
Wait, calm down. You know someone whose dad owns a private jet?
You